Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, what we're looking at here with Bitcoin is we're looking at a lot of consolidation within it. There is really a ridiculous amount of sideways trading going on with Bitcoin and a lot of anticipation on what's probably going to be happening next with the whole FTX drama. And in this article here from News BTC says on-chain data shows the Bitcoin reserve on Binance has been sharply going up in the last couple of days, something that could be a sign of dumping. So not trying to throw some FUD out there, but I found this article interesting, and it could be something that could be a possibility due to the FTX situation. Some people are waiting to find out what could be happening next. Now, we're looking at how I'm currently calling everything due to the fact that when we had seen everything start coming down in price with the whole FTX drama, that quick sell-off that had happened, I'm looking at things as there possibly being one more leg down. And I'm saying that from just looking over at where calling where we had started the wave one, and I'm saying that was on Friday, November 4th. And that's just to point out like the highest point during this time, where the price of Bitcoin had come down so much due to FTX, and then we had seen it come down a pretty significant amount, completed that wave one on Tuesday, November 8th, and then we went up within a wave two, then we came down within a wave three, went up within a wave four, and now we're really just waiting to see what's going to happen next. Is this going to be the pattern? Are we going to be coming down one more time and complete a wave five, or was at the bottom there within where I'm seeing was the wave three, and instead I should just look for a possible 5 waves within all this and call it that the wave 5, and then expect everything that we're seeing here within this triangular pattern here as being the start of something else. I mean, I could also do that, but I'm not going to do that just yet, just because nothing on the graph here is saying anything otherwise of what is actually going on, other than the possibility that this is a wave 4 and there could be one more drop to the downside. It's not saying anything else because we haven't seen the price come up and surpass where I was calling it a wave 4. And we also haven't seen it come down lower than where I had called it a wave 3. So because of that, that's why I'm still saying this is all possibly getting ready to turn over into that wave 5, and that move to the downside. That one more bottom still is going to be in at some point for Bitcoin, in my opinion. I'm not trying to sound bearish at all. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, but I'm looking at the Elliot wave theory here. I'm thinking about the psychology of everything that is going on, and how we're still not done with this FTX drama, and it's still unfolding. And I think due to all that drama with FTX, I think that there's still one more dip in the price for Bitcoin to be looking forward to. That's just my opinion, though. None of this is financial advice. So that's what I'm thinking, though. That's what I'm thinking that we're going to be seeing. So as far as where things could be going, let's take a look over at that. So I think that we could be seeing the price of Bitcoin coming down a pretty significant amount within that wave 5, thinking that we could see it come somewhere between that price of $14,000 to $13,000, or possibly even lower, as that could be a real possibility, in my opinion. So at some point, we're going to see this happen, and we're judging the length, of course, off of the Fibonacci levels here. So if I was actually just to take the Fibonacci retracement here and going off of from where we had started the wave 1 all the way down to the wave 3, and just set this where I'm calling it a wave 4, and we were to look at things here, due to the possibility of seeing the next Fibonacci levels underneath where the wave 3 is. That's why I'm saying that we could be seeing it somewhere between the price of $14,000 and $13,000. In my opinion, that would take it, that'd be a 786 length of the Fibonacci if we were looking at it from this whole run. So we can see that the wave 1 had taken us down to the 382 level. And we can see if we were to look at the length of the wave 3 from the wave 2, that had been surpassed down lower than the 786 level. And just due to that, I'm saying that we could be expecting the wave 4 to come down to between the 618 and the 786 level. in my opinion. But of course, anything is really possible. We can be seeing this go to a price of 1450, who knows? But really, I just really think that the price between 14 and 13,000 is more likely, in my personal opinion, and that's just due to what I'm seeing here on the chart. So now if we look at Bitcoin, how it has been coming down from its all-time high back in November of 2021, and we look at how that was playing out, it makes more sense as well with Bitcoin going down to a price range between $14,000 and $13,000, just given the fact that the wave 3 is the price that we were calling Bitcoin's previous 52-week low was in the middle of June, and that's when we had seen that really steep crash with everything, and at that point, we were calling that the bottom for the longest time, and that we were going to be seeing the price of Bitcoin going up. You guys remember those videos? We were very bullish on Bitcoin after it had reached that bottom because it had managed to keep that as a 52-week low all the way up until just recently, just until this whole drama with FTX really ended up crashing Bitcoin. I mean, we were looking at Bitcoin within this falling wedge pattern, and how within this pattern, we had seen it come down within those 5 waves, and we had seen it then break out from the trend line, and we were really anticipating all this momentum that we were seeing continue, and the price of Bitcoin going up to $30,000 at that time, which of course we ended up having to throw those technicals out the window because of this whole FTX drama. But at some point, of course, there will be a bottom placed in. Who knows what that's going to be? And I'm hoping that that's going to be at a price that's between $14,000 and $13,000. And hopefully from that point, maybe we'll see things turn around. But, you know, right now my expectations for seeing that happen anytime soon is a bit grim, because I think that there's still plenty more bear market to go. Now, I'm not trying to sound bearish at all with Bitcoin. You guys know me. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. But right now, that's just the way the market is going. So do expect that because of all the drama that's going on with FTX. There's just, I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I think there's still plenty more to go, in my opinion. So I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Where do you think Bitcoin's going to be going here within the, from now basically till the end of the year? Do you think we're going to be seeing Bitcoin go down even lower than the price range of $14,000 to $13,000? Do you think there's still plenty more to drop? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you in the next one. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching and listening.